Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good week and looking forward to having Friday off and a long weekend. And I hope if you're having a long weekend, you enjoy yourself and you be safe. And if you're going to barbecues and things like that, enjoy all that food, all that good food, because the food is usually delicious at a barbecue. I'm not going to be going to any barbecues this year, but I sure wish I was. But I can't eat all the food and I haven't been feeling up to par. So I'm just going to take that as a day of rest, and I'll probably go and visit a friend on Saturday because I've been invited to come out on Saturday. So I'm here because I had to go to Ollie's. And while I was in Ollie's, I went over to the stationery craft section. And they had, like everybody's been reporting, they had loads of paper. Recollections from Michael's, Park Lane from Joann's, and some other assorted brands that they had. But I browsed through all of it. You'll be happy with me. I browsed through all of it, and I only bought one piece. One book. And this is the one I bought. And it was only $1.99. That's his price. All of the papers were $1.99. Even the thicker books like the recollections, all those are $1.99. I'm sure you've seen everybody across the YT showing you. I bought this one because I like this one too. This is going to be good to make flowers. It's 65 pounds. It's cardstock. But it is going to make some beautiful flowers and backgrounds and all kinds of stuff. And it comes with all, it's going to see how it goes through all the colors that you could possibly want. The lights to the darks. And also, the wait a minute. And the purples, how it does the purples, the lights and stuff. You can mix and match them for a card front. So this is going to be fun. And this is the only one I got. I almost put a couple more in my cart, but I decided against it. I said, no, you don't need it. So then what I got was these file folders. And with file folders, you can make journals, you can make everything with. You get 9 file folders. And 9 file folders is really, really good. And they were $1.99. They said their price is usually $3.88, but it was $1.99. I think $1.99. They were putting those $1.99 stickers on everything almost. Then, because I cannot pass up watercolor cardstock. This is the hot press one. So I think this one may be a little textured, but I'm not going to open it up because I'm not using it right away. And I think I saw this in Joann's possibly. They said its usual price is $32.99, but they have it as their price for $2.99. So if you need watercolor paper and you make journals, you want to put watercolor paper in it, then this is your buy. The next thing I got, I hope I can show it, because I'm organizing my my room here, and this is by Crate Paper. I think it's showing up, right? Yeah, there it is. This is it's a paper storage rack, and I need this because when I'm at my desk here, I just want to reach over and get the colors, the colors that I use. Like I use the black a lot. I use white. And some other little things I can use. And I can put my projects that I'm working on sit on top there. So I'll figure out how to use this. But for $3.99, they said it used to be $21 somewhere else. It was $3.99. So if you need storage, and I don't know if it could fit inside of the cubes, but it might. I don't know, it might. I'll have to test it out because I have a cube thing behind me. And I could test it out and see. But $3.99, I couldn't pass that up. Help me organize myself. The next thing I was able to get was, this is a little calendar, a daily calendar. I'm making a journal. And I'm going to figure out how this could fit in it. And I might make it, more watercolory. So this might work for me. That would work for me. Then they had a big box of Adhesive Vinyl. And when I looked at this, I'm thinking I'm not going to use it in my Cricut. I wanted it for spines. for journals where it's already adhesive. I can use it as a journal spine. So think of that if it's adhesive. They had a box that was empty, so I don't know what the color was in there. So they might have other colors. I was hoping they had black, but they had brown. So I got that, and the price of that was $2.49. Regular price, they say, was $9.99. So I felt that was a bargain. Then I'm always losing my pens. I know they have these at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen these at Dollar Tree in a while, and I love the zebra pens. So I got these zebra pens because I know they write really smooth. They're really good, and I don't know where I keep losing my pens. And I am just, when it comes to pencils, I love a good pencil, and a good lead pencil, I love it. And I needed a new lead pencil because I have like 5 lead pencils around here, but I can't find them. Right now, I'm writing with this kid's pencil. I kind of like it though, but I'm writing with this kid's pencil that I really gotta get rid of, put it back over there. So it's good. It's good for marking lines and things like that. Then, because I'm about to make a few hidden paper clips for some of my journals, I needed this because it comes in assorted sizes are in here. There are large ones and small ones, as you can see, like that. And they were only $2.99 also, and they said usually it was $5.99. And all the colors is good. I mean, you could even use this as making a dangle. You know, hang down, make it as a dangle for a journal, because the paper clips, we used to make everything with paper clips when we were in school years ago, back then. I'm gonna say back then. So I saw this, and it said learn to knit. Years ago, I used to knit. I have all these yarn that I bought from Dollar Tree that I keep saying I'm going to put on this, I'm going to do on this, but right now it's just stacked over there, and I'm thinking, hey, maybe I can knit a scarf. So, and as the projects are in there, supposed to teach me, came with the little needles, $1.99. I thought this is something I could try when I'm binge watching TV. On a day I don't feel good, I could play with that. So it's something to play with. So that's my haul from Ollie's. If you have a chance, and if you're looking for papers, stacks of papers for $1.99, check out your Ollies. They have their stationery section. The one I went to was really, really stocked. They had planners, they had planner sheets, they had all kinds of things in there, and they were all between $1.99 and $5.99, all the stuff I did. To go and browse your Ollies and see what they have. And I thank you for joining me today. If you could give this video a thumbs up, it really helps my channel. Also, if you can comment, give a little comment, let me know, do you know how to knit? And do you actually think I'm going to learn from this book? That's a question I'm going to have to ask. Do you think I'll actually learn how to knit from this book? Let me know what you think. $1.99, so I got it. So thank you for joining me. Press that subscribe button. I love to have you here joining me on my channel. I'm on my road to 900 subscribers, so I'm hoping you'll press that button and subscribe and be one of my subscribers. And I thank you. And also remember, self-care is not selfish. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.